Hello viewers, this is Samir. Today I'm going to show you how to zip files. Now if you want to zip files, you need to have an application called a WinRAR. You need to have a WinRAR application in your computer. So if you don't have it, I'm going to show you how to download the WinRAR program before you can zip your files. Let's turn to our browsers. So after opening your browser, type in WinRAR. Type in WinRAR, just like that. Press your enter key. So when you press your enter key, it will open, and just click on the WinRAR website, this one. Then you move down to downloads. Click on downloads. Then down here you have all the WinRAR or the application versions. Now we have the version, the size, and the platform on which the application will work on. Mostly the platforms are the Windows or our systems. So these people have got you covered on all platforms. You can download your WinRAR application on Windows, on Linux, on macOS, and even on Android. You can have WinRAR application there. So we have the file size here, then the version. So we have WinRAR 6.11 Arabic, that is 64-bit. So you choose your language from here. So if your computer runs the 64-bit version, you click on English 64-bit. So you click on that. If your computer has the 32, it is of 32 version bit, so you come and choose English 32, English 32 bit, English 32 bit. So how do you check your computer whether it is of 64-bit or 32-bit version? Let me show you how to check that. So on your desktop, I'll minimize this. On your desktop, go to My Computer. You click My Computer. Then within this section, you right click anywhere here. Then you choose Properties. So when you click on Properties, it is going to show us the properties of our computer. Then you move under what? System type. So under system type, if you see 64-bit operating system, then you can have all applications that are of 64-bit. If you have 32, then you can run applications which are of 32-bit. Okay, so that's how you check whether your system, your computer is of 64-bit version or 32-bit version. So let's go back to our download. So I've seen my computer is of 64-bit, so I'll click on 64-bit English. Where is English? It is here. So you click on it. Then you wait for it down here. It is downloading. Then they'll give you steps of how to install and then open. So you click on it. You click on it to open. Of course, you have to allow. You just say yes, allow. Say yes. So we are installing. So you can see they'll ask you either you agree. If you agree, you say install. If you don't agree, you say cancel. Since for me I've already installed the application in my computer, I'm not going to install again. But for you, go ahead and click install. You have the application being installed in your computer. So this WinRAR is an application or a data compression encryption achieving tool for compressing files and also opening zipped files. So you can protect your files using WinRAR, this application here. It's a good tool that you can use. So let me cancel since I have it in my computer. So what I'll do is I'll go to my files, my folder that I want to zip. So zipping helps your files to be in order and to even compress them and to even protect them with passwords. You can use what? Zip. So let me right click on the files that I want to zip. So you make sure all the files are in one folder, just like this one. You can say I have picture files and document files. So all of them must be in one folder. So after having all your files in one folder, come and right click on that file or on that folder. Come and right click on that folder. Then you have these options here. The moment you install WinRAR application, you have these options on your menu when you right click. So you have add to achieve, add to that, add compress and email, compress to that. So we shall choose add to achieve. So we have this archive option, archive name and parameter. Then you have general. So down here we have archive formats. We have RAR, RAR 4, and then zip. Since we are zipping, we just click on what? Zip. So when you click on zip, it will show you the size of the files within the folder. Then you just click OK. If you want to add a password or protect the files, I click on set password. Most times when you are zipping files, we always move them or upload them to different locations. For example, if you are to send files to a certain website or web portal, you need to zip the files. They have to be in order and intact. So the only way you can use do that is by zipping the files. But you can also add a password whereby so you can protect your files using the password, so that when you send the files, you also send the password, which will be accessed by one person. Okay, so we shall click OK. So when you click OK, it will create another folder here, what you call a zipped folder. It is here. So when you open it, you can see it has our files here. It has the folder name and the file. So our files are now what? Are now safe. They are safe. We have zipped our files. Okay, so let's look at the other method if we apply a password. So we right click and then we choose add to archive. We say set password. So you come and type the password. So that's the password. You enter to confirm. Then you say OK. Click OK. So when you open that zipped folder and you try opening any of the files inside here, so when you try to open the file, it will ask for the password. So when you type the password, it will open. So it's a very good application which can help you protect the files from unwanted visitors. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more up-to-date videos.